Good evening. Welcome to the 8 o'clock news. We're here with Kevin Corona, Edwin Gonzalez, Chris Espino, and Manuel Morales.
Today we are gonna be talking about floods. When you hear the siren go off, or when rivers overflow, some other things are when you suspect are some heavy rains, or when dams overflow, even when some tree branches break.
Some floods are very strong. Those strong floods are called flash floods. Remember, folks, floods can occur anywhere in the U.S. Floods can do a lot of damage, like destroy houses, cars, and property gone. When you suddenly hear the warning sirens, you have to go on high grounds. Floods usually happen in dry lands or when rapid ice melting is happening.
Hello, what's the gate audience? Chris Espino here, and I'm about to teach you more about floods. Some things you would like to bring are flashlights because sometimes the power may go out during the flood, and dry food, blankets, and batteries, and a first aid kit if someone gets hurt. Once the flood is over, be sure to walk around and see if any neighbors are around for help, and go to a shop that is near a new town. And shop for food, new clothes, and supplies for any new houses.
Here's an interesting fact. Did you know the flood of Mississippi in 1927 started through April and May? It killed over 1,000 people. Through those harsh 2 months, it was one of the deadliest floods of the U.S. And that's all for today.
Thanks for watching the 8 o'clock news. Remember, stay safe!